Hello everyone, this is Anshu Goel here, lead analyst for digital consumer at GSM Intelligence. Today I wanted to share with you some thoughts from the recently concluded Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, specifically on the topics of consumer metaverse and devices. Starting with consumer metaverse, the mood music at the show around it was that it still remains experimental. Now, this is unsurprising given that many questions remain, for example, around uptake beyond Gen Z consumers, monetization plans, user experience, and just actual utility. However, albeit slowly, the ecosystem is progressing as attested by displays at the show from various companies across what we see as the five building blocks for the metaverse. Hardware like AR and VR devices, content and services, networks and platforms, virtual elements such as avatars, and other technologies like AI and blockchain. Rising consumer awareness of the metaverse is the positive. According to a consumer survey, two-thirds of consumers are now aware of the metaverse. Various telcos also displayed their metaverse worlds at the show, such as IFLAN, and we see telcos as having five main routes to the metaverse. You can read more about these and consumer metaverse overall in a recently published report, Building the Metaverse. Turning attention to devices, and particularly smartphones, several OEMs from China launched their flagship devices, and as expected, camera improvements were a key focus. Now, foldable screens are probably the most innovative smartphone introduction for many years, and indeed, several foldable phones were launched at the show. However, it is worth noting that this foldable feature, per consumer survey, currently ranks as the feature least influencing consumers' smartphone purchase decisions. Other note for the smartphone tech features seen at the show included rollable screens, fast charging up to 240 watts, and direct-to-device satellite communication. Qualcomm also demonstrated the capability of a smartphone to run large language modules, in this particular case, Stable Diffusion, which should boost Edge AI. New XR devices, AR glasses, VR headsets were also showcased at the show, and some prominent features included display improvements such as retina-level displays, real and virtual world integration using the pass-through features, and lighter device weight. Despite continuous progress, mass market XR device adoption still remains some way off. According to a consumer survey, household adoption of VR headsets currently remains at sub 10%. You can read more about devices in a recently published report, Smartphones and Beyond. And that brings me to the end of my MWC wrap up on consumer metaverse and devices. Please feel free to reach out to me or GSMA Intelligence for a further conversation on these areas. Thanks for your time and goodbye.